Now the question is find the square root or simplify the square root of 160 r to the power of 2. Then this is plus the square root of 71 r to the power of 4 plus another square root of 100 r to the power of 8. Now this is not a hard problem. You just have to start from the simplest part. This is the root of 100 r to the power of 8. The root of 100 is 10. The root of r to the power of 8 is r to the power of 4. Now you know this because from indices, the square root of r to the power of 8 is the same thing as finding the power of 1 over 2. And then if you distribute, you have r to the power of 8 over 2, which is the same thing as r to the power of 4. Now we can sum this up to 71 r to the power of 4. Remember, it's still in square root form. This gives you the square root of 81 r to the power of 4 since they're like terms. Now we can find the square root of 81 as 9 r squared. But remember that we have to still bring this down. So we have plus, we have 160 r squared, and we still have our square root. Now this will sum up to 169 r squared, the square root. Now this gives you the square root of 169 is 13, and the square root of r squared is just r. So this whole equation is simplified as just 13r. If you like this explanation, please subscribe for more.